My favorite type of dance is hip-hop. It is a dynamic and energetic style of dance that originated in the United States in the 1970s. Hip-hop dance is characterized by its urban and street-inspired movements, syncopated rhythms, and emphasis on self-expression. What I love about hip-hop dance is its versatility and creativity. It allows dancers to showcase their individuality and personal style through freestyle movements. From popping and locking to breakdancing and krumping, hip-hop offers a wide range of techniques and movements that can be combined and adapted to create unique routines. Hip-hop is not just a dance style, it is a culture that encompasses music, fashion, and art. The music that accompanies hip-hop dance is often upbeat and rhythmic, with catchy beats and powerful lyrics. It provides the perfect backdrop for dancers to showcase their skills and express themselves through movement. One of the reasons why I am drawn to hip-hop is its inclusivity. It welcomes dancers of all ages, backgrounds, and body types. There is no set mold for a hip-hop dancer, it is all about embracing one's individuality and finding your own groove. This inclusivity creates a sense of community and unity among dancers, as they come together to share their love for the art form. Hip-hop dance also offers a great workout. The fast-paced movements, jumps, and spins require strength, agility, and endurance. It is a full-body workout that helps improve cardiovascular fitness, flexibility, and coordination. Dancing to the infectious beats of hip-hop music makes the workout enjoyable and fun, making it easier to stay motivated and committed to regular practice. Another aspect of hip-hop dance that I appreciate is its ability to tell stories and convey emotions. Dancers can use their movements to portray a wide range of emotions, from joy and excitement to anger and sadness. Choreographers often incorporate storytelling elements into their routines, creating powerful and meaningful performances that resonate with the audience. In addition to the physical and artistic aspects, hip-hop dance provides a platform for self-expression and empowerment. It allows individuals to break free from societal norms and express themselves authentically. Through dance, people can find their voice, build confidence, and gain a sense of empowerment. Hip-hop dance has had a significant impact on popular culture, influencing music videos, movies, and fashion trends. It has become a global phenomenon, with dance crews and competitions showcasing the incredible talent and creativity of hip-hop dancers worldwide. In conclusion, hip-hop dance is my favorite type of dance because of its versatility, creativity, inclusivity, and ability to convey emotions. It offers a unique blend of physicality, self-expression, and empowerment. Whether I am watching a mesmerizing performance or dancing myself, hip-hop always fills me with energy, joy, and a sense of belonging. It is a dance style that has the power to bring people together, inspire creativity, and ignite a passion for movement.